Welcome to today's cryptocurrency news. Cryptocurrency prices today.
The price of Bitcoin, BTC, to US dollar, USDT, has increased by -1.47% compared to the same day last year, while the price of Ethereum, ETH, to USDT has increased by -0.78% and the price of Binance Smart Chain, BNB, to USDT has increased by 2.04%.
Latest news.
Over $235 million worth of tokens set for unlocking this week. A significant one-time unlocking of tokens is set to occur this week, with 3 different groups, including APT, DL, and HFT, releasing a combined total of over $235 million in value. HFT will release 13.62 million tokens on February 7th at 8 o'clock, with a value of approximately $4.25 million, representing 4.02% of the circulating supply. GLMAR will unlock 3.04 million tokens on February 11th at 8 o'clock, with a value of around $1.06 million, representing 0.3% of the circulating supply. APT will release 248.4 million APT tokens on February 11th at 8 o'clock, with an estimated value of $228 million, making up 7.34% of the circulating supply. Cryptocurrency firm GSR hires former JPMorgan executive as trading head. Cryptocurrency trading firm GSR has hired former JPMorgan executive Andreas Koukoukourinis as its new head of trading. Koukoukourinis, who previously served as global head of credit and electronic trading for fixed income and commodities ETFs at JPMorgan, will be joining GSR in this role. European Union's MiCA bill undergoes adjustments, allowing reverse solicitation for crypto companies. The European Union has unanimously voted for the Markets in Crypto Assets (MiCA) bill, which is considered the first comprehensive legislation addressing the crypto industry. The bill was published in June 2023 and has been consultation since then. The ESMA has made exceptions for companies outside the EU when offering crypto assets and services to EU citizens. The new provision allows for reverse solicitation, which would allow experienced crypto investors to invest legally while protecting inexperienced investors from consequences. The ESMA is also requesting feedback on the qualification of crypto assets as financial instruments. If they qualify, they would no longer be subject to MiCA and would fall under MiFID II. SlowMist security team exposes phishing tactics on Twitter and Telegram. CryptoPotato security team identifies 80% batch of phishing scams under tweets, and multiple Telegram groups selling Twitter accounts with fake usernames. These groups use promotional tools to enhance credibility, and users are vulnerable to clicking on phishing links. The team recommends optimizing anti-phishing plugins, wallet signature verification, and safety features to protect against these scams. Ripple IPO speculations continue amidst regulatory challenges. Ripple's potential initial public offering, IPO, has been a widely discussed topic among holders. CEO Brad Garlinghouse has stated that the company is not a top priority, but has been exploring markets outside the US for an IPO due to the hostile regulatory environment in the States. Analyst Zach Rector has shared his thoughts on the potential size of a future Ripple IPO on social media, citing examples of the largest initial public offerings in history. Rector believes that a potential Ripple IPO could be significant due to the company's involvement in an innovative industry with transformative potential, its impressive lineup of prominent experts, and the amount of XRP that Ripple owns in escrow. Rector also mentions future catalysts that could tip the scale in Ripple's favor regarding the size of the IPO, such as a case against the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission and the potential positive outcome. Crypto market losses decreased in 2023, but sophisticated attacks on the rise. The cryptocurrency market experienced a significant loss of $1.9 billion in 2023 due to hacks, with the number and sophistication of attacks increasing, according to blockchain security auditor Yuchen. The largest theft involved multi-chain, with $231 million drained from its bridge. The overall amount lost due to hacks and scams decreased, but the number of attacks increased, with a notable surge in various types of hacks. The most damaging type of vulnerability this year was access control, where unauthorized access to hot wallets by hackers or insiders resulted in half of all stolen funds, averaging $31 million per incident. Flash loan attacks followed, with a total stolen amount of just over $275 million, despite a higher number of incidents than access control. The sector most heavily impacted was lending and borrowing, particularly smart contract-based money markets, which became prime targets for hackers who exploited flash loans. The BNB Smart Chain, BSC, and Ethereum networks were the primary targets, each for distinct reasons. The smaller platforms also experienced incidents, such as Arbitrum, highlighting vulnerabilities in emerging networks. Paxos releases transparency report for Pax Gold digital currency. Paxos has released a transparency report for its gold-pegged digital currency Pax Gold, PAXG, as of December 2023. The report shows that there are 216,430.378 PXG tokens issued, with a gold reserve of 216,430.378 troy ounces. This information is crucial for investors and users of the digital currency as it ensures that the value of the tokens is supported by an equivalent amount of gold. A16Z invests $3 million in Sing Infrastructure, a spin-off of Friends with Benefits DAO. Friends with Benefits, a token-gated social DAO, is spinning out a software company called Sing Infrastructure. The company is focused on web-free applications for online and real-life communities. A16Z has made a $3 million seed investment in Sing Infrastructure. Sing Infrastructure was co-founded by Jose Mejia and Ethan Daya, who contributed to the DAO and worked on content minting platform Zora. The startup aims to reveal its features at FWB Fest, a California event referred to as Crypto Woodstock, which takes place in August. Sing Infrastructure is building products that create a funnel that onboards people into crypto in a way that's not just money, it's culture, it's community, and interaction. China's economy grows 5.2% 5.0 in 2023, but stock market falls 10%, investors turn to Bitcoin. The government of China has experienced a growth of 5.2% 5.2 in 2023, but the stock market took a 10% tumble, leading some Chinese investors to seek shelter in cryptocurrency despite the government's Bitcoin ban. The investors believe that Bitcoin represents an ideal store of value beyond borders and political ideologies. There are 3 reasons why China should consider repealing the Bitcoin ban. 1. Strong Chinese demand despite the ban. 2. China is ideal for Bitcoin. And 3. Strategic rivalry with the US and partnership with the US. If the US dollar loses its global hegemony to borderless cryptocurrencies over the next 2 decades, allowing Chinese citizens to invest in Bitcoin could help offset some of that loss. Bitcoin mining company BitBrother faces Nasdaq delisting notice. BitBrother Limited has received a delisting notice from Nasdaq, effective immediately. The notice applies to the company's 2 registered offerings, both containing cashless exercise clauses, which led to the concern. However, the notice does not affect BitBrother's listing status or trading activities on Nasdaq. The company will participate in a hearing set for February 27 to argue its case. Nasdaq will uphold any suspension or outright delisting actions until the hearing process concludes. Beijing authorities strengthen energy conservation measures and continue crackdown on cryptocurrency mining. Beijing Municipal Development and Reform Commission and 2 other departments have issued a notice to further strengthen energy conservation measures. The notice emphasizes the need to comply with national requirements and crack down on virtual currency mining activities. The responsible units for these actions include the Municipal Development and Reform Commission, the Municipal Committee's Internet Information Office, and the Municipal Bureau of Economy and Information Technology. Sun Yuchen announces destruction of 20 million HT tokens worth $60 million. Sun Yuchen, a cryptocurrency exchange owner, has announced that he will destroy 20 million HT tokens, worth $60 million, obtained by users through an exchange. This will reduce the total amount of HT to 134 million. The destruction is part of Sun's efforts to regulate and control the supply of HD tokens. UniSat Wallet announces fee adjustments for UniSat Marketplace services. UniSat Wallet has announced adjustments to its service fees for the UniSat Marketplace. Users with less than 500 UniSat tokens in the NFT collection, names, and BRC20 sections will pay a 0.5% 0.5% fee, while the service fee for ARC counter services has been reduced from 0% back to 0.5%.
Thank you for watching today.
Bless the audience to make a lot of money in the currency circle. It is hoped that the audience can grasp investment opportunities, invest rationally, and earn reasonable returns. At the same time, the audience is also reminded that investment is risky and needs to be treated with caution, and they should not blindly follow suit or overtrade.